If you've lost access to your Gmail account and don't have a phone number to recover it, you can still regain access by following these steps. Step 1. Go to the Gmail sign-in page. Visit the Gmail sign-in page and enter your email address. Click on Forgot Password to start the recovery process. Step 2. Choose Recovery Options. When prompted, select the option that allows you to receive a verification code via your recovery email address. If you don't have access to that either, click on Try Another Way. Step 3. Answer security questions. If you have set up security questions, you may be asked to answer them. Provide the correct answers to verify your identity. Step 4. Use Account Recovery Form. If the previous steps don't work, you can fill out the Google Account Recovery Form. Provide as much information as possible about your account and previous activity to help Google verify your identity. Step 5. Wait for Google's response. After submitting the recovery form, wait for Google to review your request. They will send you an email with further instructions if they can verify your identity. By following these steps, you can attempt to recover your Gmail account without a phone number. Remember to keep your recovery information up to date in the future to avoid similar issues.